at these two silly ones. No! Yay! Father-in-law just left and look what happened. Hi friends, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, my face look white. Oh, when you wash your face and don't moisturize it, that's what happened. Hi you guys, good morning. I'm in the kitchen making breakfast, and I'm talking low because my father-in-law is still sleeping, even though we think that he'll be up any minute because he's not a late sleeper really. I'm in the kitchen making breakfast for everybody, and this morning we opted for French toast, bacon and eggs. Not the typical French breakfast, but that's okay. He's not a fussy eater, so I'm sure he'll eat whatever I prepare. So I'm making breakfast, and he's also leaving later in the evening, so I'm sure he's gonna be up to spend as much time with Tyler as possible. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. We're not sure what we have planned today. Most likely spend most of the day with my father-in-law, and then see what else we have up our sleeves for later. So that's basically where we're at right now. I'm just here making breakfast. Of course you can hear Tyler outside being Tyler. Let me show you Tyler. Say morning, Faith. Tell Faith good morning. Can you say good morning to the Faith? Ty, say morning, Faith. What you doing? You're catching Robo?
Yeah.
Okay. What you catching him with? The airplane? They're flying? You're catching Chase?
Yeah.
And baby's inside. Let me show you guys there.
It's a boys plane.
You guys see how beautiful it looks outside
Mama.
today? It's a very beautiful day.
Mama.
I'm sure we're gonna go to the pool at some point. Yes, baby.
It's a boys plane.
And baby's here with his ass up in the air.
Hi guys, good morning.
Yeah, so that's what's up right now. I'm just gonna finish up breakfast and get it ready just in time for the father-in-law to get up and eat. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. Papa playing his guitar. These two silly ones. No! Yay! You find it. Yeah! Wait!
Yeah.
Is that?
Family day out, you guys. Going for a little stroll. Tyler is riding his bike.
Mama.
Yes, to the park. Tyler and Dave looking at frogs. I'm staying my distance because you girls don't like frogs, no matter how far they are away from me. Honey, no. Oh. You see them, Ty? Boys are playing. Tyler climbing. Long time. You haven't been here with him in a while. Precious moments. Not too fast. Stop, honey. Remember, I'm just have porridge. Yeah. Come this way, slide. Slide. Why? Babe, him said hot. He said the slide is hot. He's turning right back. He's so funny. He said it's very hot. He's complaining he's not happy at all. Take him down. He's not happy.
Il y a un endroit aussi, ils ont refait
Hi, you say hi
les
to the face, someone say hi
châteaux en
to
miniature. Mais tu peux te
What's
promener
he doing?
la miniature, mais quand même à une certaine hauteur.
They're eating salmon with
Mais
papi
c'est pas des
and
miniatures,
mama
quand tu
and
regardes ça, c'est
papa.
des miniatures.
It's yummy.
Ouais,
Look.
déjà, c'est une échelle de.
Don't put your finger in it.
Comme ça.
You guys, we're here eating lunch. I made salad, salmon, smoked salmon salad. So we're just eating late lunch. Actually, it's 3 o'clock and we're just eating lunch. Because Papa is gonna leave in a bit.
Gift for your face.
You have a gift for Phil? Ooh, Phil said thank you, Tyler.
Quand on était allé sur l'île.
Alright, go sit and eat more salmon. Go on. Who is that?
Il a pas parlé.
Who is that?
I don't know.
It's Tyler. Ah, that's Tyler. That's when you had long hair, Ty. Look at you. He said, I don't know. That's you. Yeah. Go tell Papi bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Give Papi kissy.
Tyler, you have shoes for him.
Father-in-law just left and look what happened. I can't believe that happened. We were just saying that he didn't have today. Look at him.
How long the biscuit will hold in his hand?
Oh my god. You guys, I had to whip up dinner for the family real quick, so I just throw in some chicken in the oven, got it roast, and just throw some rice in. Okay, so dinner is pretty bland, nothing too exciting tonight, but that's okay. We'll be back to our A game. I haven't been eating very well lately, but I'll be back on my A game soon. I know I won't eat much of this, but that's okay. What you doing?
Ice cream.
You having ice cream? All right, and he just wake up. He just woke up. I had to wake him up because It's after 6 p.m. and if he sleep too long, then listen, he won't sleep tonight. Anyway, you guys, our blind dinner is going down. Hey loves, hey guys.
Hi guys.
You talk to people all day?
I don't know, but that's for me.
Well, duh. Anyway, you guys, Tyler is off to bed and we're coming out into this vlog. Tyler was so sad, by the way, when his grandpa leave. No?
Yeah.
He was so sad. It's never easy saying
It was
goodbye.
sad when he left and we're starting to walk back to the house. That's when it was sad. Like
he came and he said,
you know, when he walk like this in his mouth.
oh, I love seeing him and his grandpa bond. Though the 2 days he was here, they really had a good time. Especially Tyler loved when he was playing the guitar.
When he played guitar.
Yeah. Anyway, you guys, so the Jamaican expression for today is "where ya pint pa me fa." If a Jamaican say "where ya pint pa me fa," simply mean you're pointing at them. Point mean pint.
When you why you pan me for?
Right.
Okay.
That always start a fight.
Okay.
As kids growing up, don't you dare pint past somebody. Don't pint past somebody. If you point at somebody, you're gonna get yourself in trouble, girl. You're gonna get your face busted. Yeah, so that's the expression. What's yours?
French expression is avoir le cafard. Avoir is to have and le cafard is the watch. It simply means like to be sad, to feel depressed. When somebody says j'ai le cafard, it simply mean like I feel depressed, like something's bothering or the person feels depressed. Say it, avoir le cafard.
Avoir le cafard. This is the first I hear that one.
Okay, avoir and say avoir.
Avoir.
Right, le cafard.
Le cafard. Leave my R alone, okay?
No, you say it well. You make it
obvious. Well, I have to make it obvious to try to get it in.
You get it.
Alright, you guys. So there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes. Alright, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if it's your first time to the Fam Bam. If you get this far, might as well just join us and get it over with. Okay? Catch up and keep up. We love you guys and we'll see you guys tomorrow.